Hello everyone, I'm Feysel from HSC First Batch, and today we are going to talk about bubble sort. When we talk about bubble sort, always bubble sort as what it assumes is it will try to sort two elements in an array. So let's say we have A and B in an array, and if A is less than or equals to B, this is okay, right? Because it's sorted. But if A is greater than B, if this condition exists or held is true, it will swap the values. Then the value becomes like this, and their order is like this. So we'll use this approach for the given array. First it checks 5 and 3, the first two elements. They are not in their correct position because this one is greater. So it will swap them. This becomes 5, this becomes 3. Now this part is okay because this is less than or equals to this one. It will move to this position. 7 less than or equals to 1, false. We'll swap them. Now 2 and 7, they are not okay. We swap the values. 2 here, 7 here. 7 and 10, they are okay. 10 and 6, they are not okay, so we should swap them. 10 and 8, they are not okay, so we should swap them. Finally, we have done one iteration. And on bubble sort, after one iteration, we move the largest element into the last position, which is 10. So this part is sorted. Now let's do the same thing for the remaining part. 3 and 5, they are okay. 5 and 1, they are not. 1 comes here, 5 comes here. 2 and 5, they are not. 5 and 7, they are okay. 7 and 6, they are not. And 7 and 8, they are okay. We have moved 8, which is the second largest out of the remaining, to the last position. Actually it was on the last position, but the concept is on each iteration it will move the largest element into their last position. Fine. Let's do one iteration. 3 and 1, they will swap. 1 and 3. And now 2 and 3 is gonna be swapped. 3 and 5, they are okay. 6 and 5 and 6, they are okay, and this okay. 7 is on the correct position, and this part is also sorted. Now when it comes to the next iteration, it will try to swap this one. They are okay. Swap. No, they are okay. Swap. They are okay. Swap. They are okay. And it reached the sorted part. So we didn't do any swapping. That means the array is already been sorted. So all the array is sorted. This is bubble sort. And the time complexity for bubble sort is order of n square. Because on each iteration, we are trying to move the last element to the last position, and from the remaining ones we do this up until the array is sorted, or we reach the final position. So we have around n positions, and we are going to do n minus 1 iteration for each positions. This will result n square plus minus n, and we can remove this part as we discussed, and the general time complexity will be order of n square. Okay, thanks for listening. Next we will see insertion sorts.